your point, Ethel?
My point is that she's late.
She's not late. We have 5 more minutes.
No.
The clock
she's
is fast.
late.
She's not late. She's gonna
late.
be here. She's not late. She's never late. That's the one thing about Ruth is she's never late.
You always stick up for
Oh,
her.
I do not.
We should have gone with Estelle.
No, Estelle's like half dead. Come on.
Estelle is alive
No,
and
she's
she's nice.
barely
She has a
alive.
personality. She has a personality.
We don't need a personality. We need somebody good for the job, and that's who it is. Here, look who's here beside you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Does everybody know the plan?
Oh my gosh, Ethel, you've gone over it 50,000 times.
Ruth, do you know the plan? Ruth!
She knows the plan. I'm telling you, she knows. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, seriously?
Yes, and be nice about this, will you?
Okay.
She works better when you're nice.
Okay. Ruth, just use this in case you have any trouble. Just keep a lookout and use that.
She's not deaf.
Okay. Oh, and something else.
What?
Here.
What is this? What did you make?
Here.
Did you make this?
Yes.
Ethel. Nice job, lady.
Thanks. Thanks, V.
Ooh, fits me like a mask. Okay.
Okay.
You ready, lady?
Let's do this.
Ladies, 1, 2,
2,
3, go.
Ruth, stay there. Ready?
I was born ready.
I have to pee.
You hold that. Okay, let's go.
I love you.
I love you more.
Bingo!
Hey! Everybody stay calm, and no one will be harmed.
What?
Remember what you said in the car?
What?
Something about the plan?
Right. Sorry. The money!
It's in the bag.
All right, listen here. I need everybody to put their cell phones, jewelry, and wallets in here immediately. You got it? Let's go.
It was here somewhere.
Where?
I don't know.
Find it! What was that? You tell me what that was or I'll blow your head off!
A panic button.
Oh. Is that like life alert?
Excuse me, ma'am. Is bingo still going on?
You. Put your money in here.
No,
Last chance.
I want it fair and square.
Okay, fine. How much did you win?
My mother left her purse at home. I have it with me. Could I leave that with you to give to her? Do you know Dorothy Wilcox? Nice hat. Crazy fucking old people.
Oh. Hey, what the hell? Hey!
75, 85, 100. Congratulations.
We have to go right now!
Get down from the ground! Stay on you.